What's up, you guys? Ashley here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I make my favorite acai bowl at home. I have a few simple ingredients so that you can make a quick, easy, and healthy acai bowl. If you're interested in seeing this video, then just keep watching. So today I'm going to show you how I make my acai bowl at home. I wanted to figure out how I could do it on my own so that it was healthy, quick, and easy. I found these at Publix. They come in a bag that looks like this. They come with 4 packs. So for a bowl, I will use 2, and then if I want to make a smoothie, I will just use 1. So while I go over these other ingredients with you, I'm going to throw these in the sink, turn on the water, and just let them melt just a little bit. Okay, now that I've had these under the sink for about 30 seconds, I'm going to take them between a kitchen towel, set it on a hard surface using a rolling pin. This is obviously optional. And I just lightly pound on them so that it breaks up the ice a little bit, just because it does make a better consistency in the blender. I have tried this every way you could ever imagine, and this way it just helps the consistency of truly having that acai bowl. If not, it takes forever. It's chunky, it doesn't break down right, and then if it's too liquidy and you melt it too much, then it's just a smoothie. So I know it sounds weird, but trust me, it works. I'm going to pound away my anger. Okay, this seems like it's perfect. The reason I do this between the layers of the towel is because one time I didn't. I got a little too aggressive and then exploded. And acai is very difficult to get out of your clothes. So it's wise to use something to cover it up. I'm going to put this in the blender. Here's where we are going to add our base ingredients. Usually in the store, they add a banana or other fruits as the base. I personally don't like bananas, so I'm going to throw in some dark sweet cherries, a little bit of stevia because I did get this unsweetened and I want it to be as healthy as possible, and a little bit of coconut water. So I'm going to do this and we're going to blend it up. For the coconut water, I do fill it about halfway. To me, that's a good eyeball for me to see that it is at a good place where it doesn't get too thin in consistency or too thick as well. And then for the dropper, for the stevia, I do about 3/4 full dropper, and then I blend it out. And that looks to be about done. The reason I can tell is I don't hear any more heavy chunks, and I see it slowly moving through the funnel. So that tells me we're pretty good to go. So next, the setup, I'm going to take a bowl, obviously add some granola, and the reason I love this granola is it has 10 grams protein for 1/2 cup. So I put 1/2 cup in the bowl. Top, I just put some of my favorite fresh fruit, usually either raspberries or strawberries. Today I chose raspberries. We have our bowl. We're going to put the oats at the bottom. Again, like I said, 1/2 cup. And top it with our raspberries. Alright guys, this completes the video. This is the wonderful acai bowl at home. It's very healthy, it's very easy, and it's a very simple recipe. I'll leave all the ingredients and information down below in the description box. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Find me on social media, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!